Started as a problem, turned into a habit, and that habit turned into an addict. Took a heart and told him he could have it. But what's a love story if it don't end tragic? You know I'm not finished, cause once I loved it, he split it and transmitted, admitted his thoughts different. Now she's sitting in the clinic waiting 45 minutes while he's sipping on a Guinness, looking for bitches to get and run up in them again. While she sitting at home going through it again, and she can't believe that she did it with him and did it again. She did it again. She never felt so alone, depressed on her own with sticks and stones. But words cut deeper, they can hit your bones, especially when she hear her best friend's gone. Ooh, ooh, look at you. You know he's no good for you. Still she's steady feeling. When it's late in the evening, they say he got into you. Now what they say is true. Your addiction never leaving. Keep making up your reasons. She won't find another man. It's not like nobody wanna dance. She still swear nobody understand. On her own she can't stand. She swears she need a man who don't give a damn and hit her with his hand. Car door slam as he tell her what she can't be. She say it's never easy, little do she know it can be. She take it out on her friends and her family. And goddamn, we've been through this before. Situation worse and she still want more. Sitting there crying on the bathroom floor. 9 months later, never been so sure. Cold war coming, can't take no more. She never felt so insecure. When the fingers get to pointing, calling her a whore. Like, ooh, ooh, look at you. You know he's no good for you. Still she's steady feeding. When it's late in the evening, they say he got into you. Now what they say is true. Your addiction never leaving. Keep making up your reasons. Ooh, ooh, look at you. You know he's no good for you. Still she's steady feeding. When it's late in the evening, they say he got into you. Now what they say is true. Your addiction never leaving. Keep making up your reasons. Your addiction never leaving. Keep making up your reasons.